देखा
pH and
accepted
conductivity.
pH, हाँ
pH and conductivity.
pH and
Conductivity.
So basically, it will take all the level of the scanner.
Level is not level is not important here.
but yeah, this pH is important here.
Protection it is given.
Yeah. I think this is good. I tell you, if there is a no level, no analysis. So no analysis means pH indication will be not there. See, if you want to make more alarms are not good.
No, that we have already discussed. He will do.
Yeah.
That we have.
More is not good. That is okay.
Low meter is good.
Flow meter is not there. I think maybe in the next level, next PNID.
It is just discharge.
Yeah.
I think there is something of flow meter.
But it is small, very small, no? Imran, very small size. Here we don't need flow meter.
More instrumentation, stuff like that will complicate the process.
So we have
It's complicate for the sample, it's really. Finally, the O&M contractor, he has to know how to run the plant.
Finalizing this.
Guys, we don't need more because mores are not good, but there is a flow meter there. I have seen it. We'll discuss. Okay, guys, coming back to this PNID. If this valve remains closed, yeah, I'll put it. Any valve to the tanker discharge valve. The same consequence. A road tanker. Main. Discharge valve remains closed. Human error.
Anything you can do for more flow.
Yeah. More flow बाद में करेंगे. Yeah. So let us review the no flow, then we'll go for more flow. So ultimately, I would put the same. We'll see. Delayed treatment.
Open the drive.
Just a minute. No flow to treatment. Batch operation. This is not batch operation. Okay. So we are saying, see, at one point of time, you can align many tanker. When you make the host connection, then the operator.
It is not possible many tankers
Yes.
because you have only two sampling stations. So
Okay.
at one point of time, only two tanker will
Can be
discharge.
connected. Really?
So it should connect 3 tankers, right? Or 1 tanker.
No one can come only.
So only one tanker
And
will.
why we are putting 5 tankers?
No.